Alright, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle here, Adosha Way, same girl. Today I'm going to do like a quick tutorial on like what I do to get ready for work. It's gonna be different background than my last videos. I know I moved. And so, yeah, so I'm just jumping right into the tutorial. I'm actually just getting ready for work. I'm trying to do something really basic, but dramatic at the same time. Like, not basic. I'm not trying to do something basic. I'm trying to do something dramatic, but something really quick. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just gonna talk through it. Hopefully it's okay. I usually like to do voiceovers because I can usually control what I'm saying better. Trying to work on talking to the camera, and so I have a tendency to run on and on and on. So when I do voiceovers, I can catch that and I can fix it. Well, when I'm doing a talk with you guys, I can't really fix that, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, fuck. Okay, so my face is clean. I'm just gonna start with my ordinary primer. I'm gonna prime my face real quick. I already started putting foundation on my hands, so I'll make sure you prime your face first. What y'all think about this wig, y'all? I decided to go for a very dark look. I really love dark, bold looks. That's like my go-to. But this hair, because I dyed it jet black, it was like a natural color. But because I dyed it jet black and it's short, it's just giving me like, it's giving me very dramatic vibes. So that's what I'm going for today. I'm starting off with these two. I'm actually really liking these combo. I slept on this for a little bit. I had this for a while, like probably like a year or something. But I slept on this for a little bit, but I came back to this, and with this, I really like what it does. I like the results that I'm getting. So I'm just gonna put that on my face. I probably should grab my mirror. I'm like, it's so unorganized. I'm forgetting everything. And I can't really do my makeup looking at the camera. It's weird. So here we go. I'm not going to be looking at the camera anymore because my mirror's right here. But yeah. But I'm going to try and film more tutorials. I've been saying that. I probably say that in like every video. And there's so many videos that I've filmed actually that I just haven't posted for reasons of the other. I recently moved, like I said. And so just getting my life back in order is just, I don't even know. But I'm gonna film more videos despite whatever's going on in my life, okay? That's just bottom line. I keep forgetting everything in the bathroom. Like in a natural light, as you can see, like this foundation, and this is why I put this foundation in bed before, is because it gives me a very orangey, like an orangey look, which, you know, sometimes I dig it. You know what I'm saying? I'm blending it in. Okay. So we just gonna move on to the brows really quickly. I definitely have to get a better brow pencil. I do like how my brows used to come out when I had a thinner and finer brow pencil than how they are now. But I make it do what it do, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling y'all what I wish I had or what I would have liked to have, but you can still make it work with what you got. You know, for some people I got a lot. For others I ain't really got shit, but I still slay with what I have. I don't know. I might end up doing a voiceover on this video. Oh, because it's weird, like, if I didn't have to go to work, then it would have been a different story. But it's weird, like, trying to think about what to talk about at the same time, trying to rush my makeup and be very precise and not look crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I might just have to be quiet, concentrate on what I'm doing, and just, you know, talk over this. Yeah. I should have had my music playing, actually. Okay, what we doing next? Get these brows popping even further than what they are.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it,
I feel like you can go for that really grungy look.
there it all for me. It's only you.
eyebrows
I
have
wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is time, then I got plenty of. I better care of my love until you only have. I wanna stay honest, be physical.
That's what happen when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, man, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on the sign, guess it's time for a different prayer.
Cause lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song when
I want you all to myself. You don't need nobody else. I want you all to myself. I want you all to mine. Cause you gon' have to do more than just say it. You gon' have to do less when you do it. Little mama, you know I always want you to prove it. Cause you gon' have to do more than just say it. You gon' have to do less when you do it. Little mama, you know I always want you to prove it.
why you gotta start, girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want.
Know you got another nigga tryna play the part.
Just because he got a high don't mean he got high.
Cause you got attitude on that night, but you on that boy. Stomach on flat, ass on the west
had drama, baby, not right now. I never go and chat, but we talking about you the only one I know can fit it all in your mouth.
Baby,
When I saw you walking out the door, I just knew you needed something more.
and sex with me so amazing. All this hard work, no vacation. Stay up off my Instagram, your temptation. Hit a switch on a fake chick like the station. Ooh, na 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 na, 5 fingers on it, 5 fingers. Hit it like you want it, I'ma hit it like I want it. Straight shots to the foot, shot, 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 shot. At all, at all, at all, at all. Yeah, yeah. When I grow up, I wanna get rich. Rock fancy shit, cop whips. Foreign trips, rockin' the drop six. Stack chips, flying in cockpits. To the depth, me and my homies are list. To the depth, all of the homies are list. In my soul, know we gon' blow up. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. When I grow up, I wanna get rich. Rock fancy shit, cop whips. Foreign trips, rockin' the drop six. Stack chips, flying in cockpits. To the depth, me and my homies are list. To the depth, all of the homies are list. In my soul, know we gon' blow up. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. I ain't stopping's no longer option. On the road like a rocket, still floating and flying. Get high, the private pilots, the ball like Houston Rockets. So much bullshit, got me ready to harden. Waves on my head, got her wetted in the starfish, forever grind. Hunting gather for the harvest, still pushing the hardest. Surpassed all margins, don't have enemies no more, I got targets. First things first. What's worse, still in the purse, I'll be dead in the hearse. Either way, it's a curse, so I'm steady at work. Trying to spread my energy throughout the whole universe. What comes around, goes around, so I stay reimbursed. Confidence through the roof, so it's ready to burst. You already hurt, chasing skirts, sipping a good jerk at the end of the verse. Bad Regal still putting in work. I ain't stopping till the whip is too donuts. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. I ain't stopping till we down both more cups. I ain't stopping till the whole world know us. I ain't stopping till the whip is too donuts. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. I ain't stopping till we down both more cups. I ain't stopping till the whole world know us. When I grow up, I wanna get rich. Rock fancy shit, cop whips. Foreign trips, rockin' the drop six. Stack chips, flying in cockpits. To the depth, me and my homies are list. To the depth, all of the homies are list. In my soul, know we gon' blow up. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. When I grow up, I wanna get rich. Rock fancy shit, cop whips. Foreign trips, rockin' the drop six. Stack chips, flying in cockpits. To the depth, me and my homies are list. To the depth, all of the homies are list. In my soul, know we gon' blow up. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up. I say, I wanna get rich, I wanna get rich. I say, I'm done with this shit, I'm done with this shit. 9 to 5 be the death for me, that's the recipe. Family and motivation, the only thing that is next to me. Stagnation, the only thing that is stressing me. Thinking back, when second cat try to flex on me. Trust in due time, it's mine. Fine wine with dimes to reflect on my timeline as a kid. Always said I'ma get it, real shit I'ma live it. Pushing the vivid vision, never cloudy or distant. Beating the earth liquor, but the homies are missing. I'll repeat you until I'm double up whipping. Ripping and double my pockets, double up profits. Private pilots and cockpits, rolling the drop six, wet pussy out my pit. Then I'm going back to work, homie, I'm plotting.
Now, I feel like I could go for like a mauve lip. Or I can go for like a deep lip. Come on. always going deep, so let's go deep. I'm actually gonna outline on this.
All of the homies heartless. In my soul, know we gon' blow up. I ain't stopping till the Lord say slow up.